Hello everyone again, welcome back to our second session. So everyone, can you guess it? What is the subject that we learned for the second session? Great, so the subject that we learned for the second session is Grammar Planet 1. So teacher want you to continue unit 4, it is not small on page 23, right? Okay, so before we start, here is our whiteboard. So you need to write down this one into your notebook. And teacher want to clarify how to use negative form of verb to be. So as you see in this picture, we have positive form and negative form. So positive form, this one is in the long form, and another one we call it short form, right, of negative. But our lesson for today is focused on negative form of verb to be. So you need to know it clearly how to use negative form of verb to be, right? Example, this one. I am, right? So I am, this one is positive. You are positive. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. Or they are. So that one is subject plus verb to be. So as you know already, verb to be we have what? Very good. We have am, is, are. And how about subject? Very good. Subject we have I, you, we, they, he, she, it, right? Okay, and you know already subject plus verb to be, right? So which subject that we use with verb to be, you know it already. And this one is the negative form of verb to be, that she isn't, we are not, you aren't, am not, isn't, they aren't, it is not, you are not. So here is our review form of negative of verb to be, right? Okay, so now let's move to our practice on page 23. So our practice today, we have two exercise. We have exercise E and exercise F. Exercise E, you need to look and write. Exercise F, you need to unscramble and write. So now let's move to our page 23. We teach you all together. Okay, so here is our page 23 that you need to look at the picture, and after that you need to write the form of negative form verb to be, right? Example number 1. She is not a dog. So the full sentence that we need to write again, she isn't a dog, right? Okay, how about picture number 2? They what? They are not watches. And we need to write it into the short form of negative is they aren't watches. And now let's move to number 3. It is not a bike. It is not a bike. So we need to write it again is it isn't a bike. It isn't a bike. Okay, number 4. I am not a girl. I am not a girl. So we need to write it again. Am not girl. Am not girl, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next exercise. Is letter F. You need to unscramble and write. Number 1. I am not a teacher. How about number 2, everyone? Great. Number 2 is you are not happy. How about number 3? How about number 3, everyone? He is not tall. Very good. How about number 4? She is not a cook. Very good. Number 5. We are not dancer. Number 6. They are not big. So here is the correct sentence that after we unscramble already, that all of the sentence we call it negative form, right? Okay, so now it's time for our second session. Goodbye everyone. See you again tomorrow. And don't forget to do your quiz, okay? Goodbye.